First of all, plug in the bootable Windows 7 USB. Select the USB storage device to boot from USB. Press any key. Press enter. Press next. Install now. Select the Windows version 32 by 64 bit as per the system hardware. Click on checkbox and then click next. Click on custom. Delete the system reverse disk and disk C. And new. Apply. OK. Next.
After installing the files, the system will restart. Give the name of your PC here. Enter the password if you want to give it, or otherwise click on the next. Okay, so use the recommended settings here. Now you will have to select the time zone as per your country. So I am giving of Pakistan's. After restarting the PC, you will see this screen. System is preparing the desktop. After that, you will find this screen here. Here you can check all the drivers of the systems are yet to be installed. So we will install. If you have the driver CD, then you can directly install from there, or otherwise we will plug here the bootable CD of driver pack that will automatically install the drivers of this PC. Okay, we have inserted the USB of the driver pack. Now I will double click on the driver pack application. It will automatically detect the hardware of the system and will install the drivers. So the driver pack has automatically detected the system drivers. I will go in the expert mode and I will check all the drivers. So it will start installing the drivers. Here you can see the driver pack is now installing the drivers one by one. So now driver packing installing the video card AMD Radeon R5240. After the installation, you can see here the networks are coming and the drivers have been installed complete. So now it will restart the system. So after restarting the system, now you can check the status of the drivers. Okay, device manager. And now you can see all the drivers have been installed. No one is left. So thank you very much. Thank you. Now you can see the Windows has been installed. And any application software now you can install on it. So Windows is working perfectly. I can show you the details here. Here is the, you can check it here. Windows 7 Ultimate and 64-bit operating system. So thank you, keep watching our channel. Thank you so much.